If you live in East Sussex, you get your services from two different councils. One is your district or borough council, which covers your immediate area. That's either Eastbourne, Hastings, Lewes, Rother or Wilden. And one is East Sussex County Council, which covers the whole county. For instance, when you throw something in the bin, it's your borough or district council which takes it away. If you visit your local tip to get rid of something, that's run by the county council. This is called two-tier local government. But now this system is about to change. Let me explain. The national government thinks you'd be better served by just one local authority, a system called unitary government. The thinking is that you'd find it simpler to deal with just one council which does everything. This could be more efficient. So what might this reorganisation look like in East Sussex? One option is a single council which covers the entire county of East Sussex with a population of 550,000. This is the current suggestion to match the system the government wants to see. But other models for a single council in every area could be considered if there's strong government and public support. Everyone in East Sussex can give their views on what they and their community want to see from a new council. Then a final proposal will go to the national government. You'd elect the new council in 2027 to start work in 2028. And at that point, the existing councils would disappear and their services would be taken over by the new body. But there's another change coming first. From May 2026, there will also be what's called a strategic authority for all of Sussex, bringing together councils with a new mayor who you will also elect. This authority will represent East Sussex, but also our neighbours in West Sussex and in Brighton and Hove. This Sussex authority won't deliver most of your day-to-day services, like collecting the bins, organising care or housing the homeless. Your councils in East Sussex will continue to do that. Instead, the Sussex Strategic Authority, as its name suggests, will plan and decide things which affect all Sussex for years ahead. The benefit for us should be local investment and decisions with the elected mayor to speak up for Sussex. Let's go back to East Sussex for a moment. Your councils here will work with and in the Sussex Authority. When those East Sussex councils are replaced in 2028, the single council that replaces them will also be a part of the Sussex-wide authority. So you will elect both your local council and a mayor for Sussex who works in combination with them. In many places, parish and town councils will also continue to have a role for the most local services like playgrounds or grass cutting. But it's important to remember that right now there are no changes to any of your usual services. We'll keep you updated.